Line up the track on that hole that I've marked there. Yep, we're good. So I'm going to drill a hole right there and anchor to that stud. Now out at the end, I'm going to put a hole because it says there's a stud there. I'm not sure there's a stud there, but it says there is. I have a gadget. This is a stud locator. Electronic in nature. I'm not exactly sure how it does work, but it's purported to find studs. I also have this little magnetic gadget, which is a magnet on the end of a tiny needle that floats back and forth. When you go across a piece of steel, the little needle swings up and points at the steel. You can use this to scope along and find the nails in the wall. That lets you tell where the studs are, or at least where they put a nail. There's also the method where you go along and tunk on the wall. That sounds hollow. There isn't a stud there. This all sounds the same. That would tell me that there's a stud behind this whole thing. Chances of there being a complete wall of wood in behind this is pretty slim. The way you use this stud finder is you put this face up against the wall and then press this button on the side. It goes through a little warm-up period. All the lights come on and say, yeah, all my lights are working. A little green light comes on and says ready. And you run it slowly across the wall and it says AC, so that's saying there's a wire in there. Now as it crosses over the stud, first off it says, oh, there's the edge. Little green light on the bottom comes on and says that's the edge of the stud. And as it passes over it says that's the center. The green light comes on in the center. The little light comes on at the top. Then this handy little pencil point comes out and you can use it to scribe a mark on the wall. And as you travel across it says, oh, I'm now past the edge. There's the edge and now I'm past it. That tells me my stud is right there, just where I marked the hole. So now that we know how this works, we come over to an unknown area where I don't know that there's a stud. And it says edge. Now that's consistent with the end of a wall. You need to have a 2x4 to nail your plasterboard to. You have to have something to support it. So there's the stud there. I should be able to put a hole in the end of that, then drill the wall to mount into a stud with the end of the track. What do you get the guy that has everything? Well, I get a lot of neat little gadgets because they look cool. Got this for Christmas. It's a Zircon StudSensor 70. Works quite well. Directions say place tool against surface to be scanned. Press and hold the power button. When spotlight flashes and buzzer beeps, tool is calibrated and ready for use. Continue to hold the tool flat against the wall and slowly slide across the surface. Once target is located, mark the spot. Visit www.zircon.com support for most current instructions. But first I'm going to drill the hole in the steel, and then I'm going to use the steel to lay out the hole in the wall, and we go from there. Just for the sake of comment, this little thing does work. Works quite well. But you got to find a nail. That means you have to go all the way up and down the stud till you find some place where they put a nail in the plaster, and right there we go. It says there's a nail right there. Not quite as easy. Stud finder, neat little bit of electronic magic. Don't try it with a dead battery. It doesn't work at all. Now we go down the basement and I drill these holes. If you'd like to find out what happens at the end of this project, why not subscribe? And don't forget to click the notification button. That'll let you know when the next video is coming up. But they're on a schedule. Monday through Friday at noon, Saturday and Sunday at 9 a.m. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching.